Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and thank you so much for all the love that you give it to me. And today's video is all about our little bit a chit chat day. So बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारे questions थे about me whenever I just put a story and ask me a question. So lot of you have a lot of questions, so I thought let's not just give an answer ऑन अ स्टोरी, लेकिन मैं एक अच्छा सा प्रॉपर चिट चैट वीडियो बनाती हूँ एंड वे वी गोना टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ एंड यू विल नो मी एंड यू विल गेट द मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट माई सेल्फ. सो लेट जस्ट गेट इन टू द वीडियो. Before the video begins, if you want to have something or make this video something nice conversation, then get a coffee or tea yourself and enjoy this video. So before the video starts, I'm gonna give you a little bit a disclaimer about myself. Or my name is Riya Desai. I am from Ahmedabad, India, and मेरा जो origin है वो है महसाणा से. I am a Gujarati girl, typical like a Rabari. This is my caste, where I am belongs from. A lot of you have questioned that how it could be कि from your caste, how you can do your YouTube channel, how you can do your own business, how your parents allowed, and how the people allowed you to go outside and live your dream life and do everything. Yes, bhai, my parents allowed that, and they give me wings to fly by myself. So of course I'm proud of my self. I am proud of whatever I am, whoever I am from, and I am very happy in my life. So yes, I am 24 years old. Like I just turned 24 this year, before 3 days ago. So yes, now let's just quickly start it and get into the video. So your all videos are superb. Someone commented me. I would really appreciate. Thank you so much. Even मुझे YouTube start करने में 10 साल लग गए. The first question is, am I married? No, I'm not a married, और मैं single हूँ, and I just like to be single. I'm not planning to getting married at the moment. मेरा कोई भी plan नहीं है. So the second thing is लंदन में आप क्या काम करते हो दीदी? So लंदन में let's start this from my journey. So this is, I'm going to cover my London journey personally. So I moved in London in 2024 as a student visa. I did my master's, my MBA here in international business management. तो मैंने वो complete किया है. And then after coming London, it takes me 3 months to get a job, and I found a job in one of the restaurant, and where I worked for almost 2.5 years. And just last week I quit my job because I'm starting my own business. Yeah, so मैंने अपनी जॉब की शुरुआत की थी when I was a waiter over there. क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे भी अपनी फील्ड में like I am particularly from a background, मैं एक मेकअप एंड नेल आर्टिस्ट हूँ. सो आई डू हैव माई ओन स्टूडियो इन इंडिया, अहमदाबाद. मेरा अभी भी लाइक वहाँ पे स्टूडियो है. सो इट्स अ मेकअप ब्यूटी and nails and all. So I was just looking a job particularly in my field, but यहाँ पे बहुत tough था because London में without references you can't get job. And it takes me 3 months. तो मुझे यहाँ पे job मिली. I did started with a waiter. I first the waiter over there. Then I became a bartender. Then I became a manager, and then I was the person who was managing the whole restaurant as like an owner, and I was very very close, and still I'm close with my owners, and we run that restaurant like on a family. So yes, this was my journey, and then I finally decide that after that कि मुझे अपनी फील्ड में शायद वापस जाना है, and I just wanted to do something at my own. So yes, this is your answer, and this is my little journey about London. So the next question is, Dubai ક્યારે ફરવા જવાના છો? Yes, Dubai is my one of the dream destination for vacations. Maybe मैं बहुत जल्दी जाने वाली हूँ Dubai by next year. I am thinking of, or maybe this year. I'm not sure because there is a lot of things are going on at the moment, so I can't plan. But sure. Um, so the thing, next question is, when the vlog is coming, Didi? I just love your vlogs. So yes, my new vlog. Maybe जब तक ये video आपको मिलेगा तब तक you got two more new vlogs. It's one that I went India, and then one is of my birthday vlog. So yeah, that one. किसी और ने मुझे डीएम किया है दैट सिस्टर आप यूके रहते हो एंड he is the air hostess in Air India cabin crew. If I need any help, then I can definitely, I'm gonna sure contact you. I often travel to India, so if I need any help, I am gonna definitely told you. So the next question is, are you living in a Wembley? Also live? No, I'm not living in a Wembley. And I can't tell you where I'm living. Sorry, because I don't usually share my personal details to others that where I'm living. So yes, I'm sorry. So the next question is, sister તમારો business ચાલુ કરો છો તો એમાં અમને કામ and visa માટે something. I'm sorry, but I can't tell you that I can give you a visa or anything. क्योंकि my business is I am trying to growing on the growing page, so I can't tell and without reference I can't do that because यहाँ पे reference matters a lot, and I don't have any kind of a visa certificate or license that I can sponsor you. So yes. Next question is Revanu London Sheke India. There are a lot of questions they asked me in a Gujarati, but I'm gonna give you answer in a both and जो दोनों को ही like समझ में आएगा. No, I am living in London. It's been 2.5 years that I'm living here. So yes, the next question is someone asked me that India में life better है या London में because you want to move in London. So yes, I would say if you want to do something out of your comfort zone, that London would be a better. यहाँ पे opportunities will takes time. You have to go through with a lot of things in your life, and you have to learn so many things. If you never worked anywhere, or you don't know how to live alone, how to manage so many things, then I think it will gonna be tough decision for you. Um लंदन में बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, बट इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ एन वीज़ा, मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट यही करूँगी, देन मेक श्योर अबाउट इट बिकॉज देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रॉड इज गोइंग ऑन एंड आई डोंट वांट एनी वन टू स्पॉइल योर मनी. So yes, London, if you want to move, you can move. It's not that much easy, but it's not that tough as well. I was in my 10th standard. I watched a lot of YouTube. Like I just finished my exam and I came home, and I used to take my mom's phone or my sister's phone, and I just went to watch a lot of YouTube videos. तभी से मेरा YouTube was my passion, and I was really very passionate about that. But तब फैमिली ने मना कर दिया that you can't do a YouTube, and YouTube is not for you, and it's not the good way that you are creating a video. और बहुत सारे मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स ने मना कर दिया. पीपल आई डिड लाइक मैंने बहुत सारा फेज ऐसा था जब देखा. एंड व्हेन आई मूव हियर इन लंदन एंड आई डू हैव टाइम बिकॉज मेरे पास जॉब नहीं थी, सो आई थॉट नो, now whatever it happens, you have to do that because that was my passion and मुझे प्यार है like YouTube से, and I just wanted to do YouTube. It's been since so many years now. So yes. So the next question is I still got my birthday wishes, and I would really very thank you so much that guys you are loving me, and thank you so much for all the birthday wishes that you gave me. Thank you. Then લંડનમાં જોબ માટે જવાય કે ના જવાય? It's the same answer. Someone asked me that you should do a job in London or not. So I just give you the answer. If you want to do, you can do. If you don't want to do, you can't, because it's all about you, and it's all about your grasping power, and it's all about within you, that you are passionate about that. You want to do change something. So yes, you can. So the next question is where I am basically from. So I am my born and brought up. It's from Ahmedabad, but my main origin is from Mehsana, Kadi. Yeah. A lot of you know my dad because he's a social worker in our community. So a lot of you knew about that. Yeah. So the next question is लंदन में जॉब के लिए जगह है, like anything for graduate? Yeah, after you are turning 12, sorry, you are turning 18, you can do your job and you can get it. You can um, apply for a bachelor's visa, and yeah, you can come. The next question is which visa I do have in London. So basically, when I came here, I did my MBA and I was on the master's student visa, and now I do have my PSW. So yes. मेरी एज कितनी है? Guys, I already told you that I just turned 24 just 3 days ago. So yes. The next question is someone asked me, which medium do you study, Gujarati medium or English medium from 1 to 12? आई डोंट थिंक सो, वॉन्ट यू बिलीव, बट मैंने अपनी स्टडीज गुजराती मीडियम में की है टिल 1 to 12 स्टैंडर्ड. आई वॉज स्टडिंग इन वेरी बेसिक स्कूल. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्या मुझे अपने बिजनेस के लिए इंडिया से कोई फाइनेंसर चाहिए, और आई एम लुकिंग एनी फाइनेंसर फ्रॉम इंडिया? सो नो, I have already everything is settled down, so I don't require anything. Thank you so much for asking me. The next question is UK में any JB की brand branch है या नहीं? So yes, they just recently opened one branch in Kingsbury. So the next question is my all the tattoos are really very pretty, and which tattoos I do have. So this tattoo is really very close to me because ये मेरे YouTube का tattoo. I made this one, and I love YouTube, and I'm very very passionate about my work and my YouTube journey, especially because मैं यूट्यूब देख के ही इतना बड़ा हुई हूँ. आई कैन कंटिन्यू वॉच यूट्यूब 12 more than 12 hours if you can say me. So yes, this represents that I never forget my goal, that what I wanted to be, and a big creator. So yes, this one is a YouTube tattoo. This one is, I already share a photo and मैं एक और photo डाल दूंगी. So this we three sisters did the same tattoo when I went India, and this tattoo is my very first tattoo. This is, I did it my first ever tattoo. पर टैटू से मैं बहुत डरती थी, एंड इट्स बिन सो मैनी ईयर्स. आई वेंट एट द टैटू शॉप एंड नहीं, मुझे करवाना है, एंड वंस जस्ट ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग द टैटू, मुझे इतना डर लगता था दैट नो, समथिंग हैपन्स टू माई स्किन, समथिंग हैपन्स टू मी, एंड मैंने कभी टैटू करवाया ही नहीं. बट just recently I got my 3 tattoos. The next question is why you're not staying in India on your birthday if your birthday was next week. So the thing is, I am starting my own business, and everything is rely on me. तो मैं सब कुछ अकेले ऐसे छोड़ के नहीं आ सकती थी. There was not a planning of me कि मैं इंडिया जा रही हूँ, but there was my suddenly a trip. I just booked a ticket a day before when I was flying. So मेरा ऐसा कोई भी प्लान नहीं था. एक्चुअली आई डू रियली मिस इंडिया. मुझे जब मैं वहाँ से दिल्ली आई थी, मैं दिल्ली रुकी हुई थी, मुझे घर वापस जाना था। आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट नो, लेट मी डू वन थिंग, आई सेंड माई बैग्स एंड आई एम गोना गो टू लंदन आफ्टर अ 1 वीक, लेकिन मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती थी। मैं अपने घर को बहुत बहुत मिस कर रही थी, एंड सडन मुझे भी नहीं आना था, बट it's after all work, so you have to do. The next question is, my skin is very oily and sensitive. If I use any product, I get the acne. So there is a lot of cross contamination about acne, क्योंकि last to last year तक मेरे face पे भी बहुत सारे acne थे, and whatever I use, I don't know what is happening, मुझे acne हो ही जाते थे, and there was a very tough time because my skin barrier was really very bad at that day. But I do use my Bioderma face wash. That is a very gentle but very nice face wash. It's from Bioderma Sebum Gel Mucin, and Bioderma same moisturizer I do use. It's my non-negotiable, and I can't change that routine. Whatever if I'm using it, but still I will use it. That things. So that's one of the best. And never skip your sunscreen. People don't think about the sunscreen, but sunscreen is very very important at this days. So yes. um Now the next question and the last question is, what is my ambitious in my life? So I have a lot of thing in my life. I wanted to do my own business, and I wanted to do grow that business very like national and international level. And I'm just thinking about that क्योंकि मेरा वो passion था, and I just wanted to do the same business जो मुझे करना था. But you will know very soon. If you stay tuned on this channel, then everything is coming soon, and you will know what business I'm going to be. That's the only one I wanted to grow. And also my main ambitious is as a YouTuber, a content creator. I just wanted to grow. This year I wanted to reach at least 100K subscribers, जो मुझे करने ही करने हैं. So yes, this is my goal that I wanted to be, and yes, I wanted to do this. This is the two things that is I'm ambitious about: my YouTube and my business. That's it. जो दोनों ही चीजें मेरे दिमाग में चलती हैं all the time. Yeah. So I hope these questions are all of your answers. जो भी आपने question मुझे पूछे हैं, this is all the answers, and I hope I gave all the question answers that I got, and you knew about me. So yeah, this is about all the videos. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked this first ever chit chat video, and you knew about me, my journey, and so many things that I give you a question answer. So yes, this is all about today's video. I hope you enjoy this video, and see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please like, share, and subscribe to this video, and stay tuned. Thank you so much for the love.